Do you want to know how you can add people to your Telegram using PC? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add people using Telegram on your PC. Go ahead and open your Chrome OS browser, go to Telegram web and log into your account. What you need to do next is click on the three lines over here on the top left hand side and go to contacts. Now click on the plus icon to add people, and what you need to do is write down the first name, the last name and phone number. So after you write down the phone number, go ahead and click enter. So write down the valid number and click add. In a while you can notice that you have just added the person. So this is how you add people to your name on your Telegram. So it's quite easy, guys. All you need to do is go to add contact, click on plus over here, write down the first name and write down your phone number, and then what you need to do is click add. This way you can add contacts or add people on your Telegram using your PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.